Welcome to the 16th and final day's roundup of the Tokyo 2020 Olympics. Coming up, India in 7th heaven, USA make it double honors in basketball, and Kenya's marathon king remains undefeated. Our final trivia for this campaign will be based on one of the very first facts we presented to you at the start. We were made to witness 206 teams from all around the world give their all in Tokyo. But roughly, how many athletes attended these games this year? Stick around until the end of the show to find out. The Tokyo 2020 Games have officially concluded, and the USA topped the medal table with 39 gold medals, while China came in second with 38 golds. Japan ended their games with 27. While the shiny gold medals galore for USA and China, India won its first at the games as Neeraj Chopra won the men's javelin throw after a brilliant and confident performance to make it their best Olympics after winning 11 in total. The 23-year-old earned India's 7th gold medal at the Olympics, while also becoming the first South Asian to win a medal in track and field events since Sri Lanka's Susantika Jayasinghe's silver medal in 2000. Definitely one of India's proud sons. The US beat the host nation Japan 90-75 to claim gold in the women's basketball event. Following up on yesterday's men's tournament, the ladies also won their 7th Olympic gold medal in the event. Allyson Phoenix became the most decorated track athlete, male or female, in US history. Felix won a gold medal with her team in the 4x400 meter relay at Tokyo 2020, lifting her total Olympic medal tally to 11 in 5 Olympics spanning 17 years. We must take this opportunity to thank Chris Bro's Next Champ campaign on board with us for supporting the Quadrangle Fan Zone for this special Olympic segment. We wish them well for their campaign in giving hope to Sri Lanka's younger generation and finding the next Olympic champions. The USA beat Brazil to win the women's volleyball event 75-55. The world's number 1 ranked USA beat number 2 ranked Brazil, the 2016 Rio gold medalists, in 3 straight sets to win the finals and the gold medal, and won their first ever in the event at the Olympics. Finally, the undisputed king of the marathon is Eliud Kipchoge. The world record holder is Olympic champion once again after a 42-kilometer race. He won his 2nd consecutive men's marathon in a time of 2 hours and 8.38 seconds. And now for our trivia answer. If you guessed 11,000 as the answer to how many athletes participated at this year's games, then you are almost right. The correct answer is 11,090. There were so many stories of joy, inspiration, downfalls and drama during these 2.5 weeks, and we are glad to be a part of it while bringing you the best of the best. Here's a heartfelt and grateful mention to the team behind the content of our Tokyo 2020 campaign. The Quadrangle team consisting of Hiran Veerakkodi, Kiyasha Komban Wikramage, Callum Shrimal, Kavinka Fernando, Lavanya Dimel, Sanduni Jayawardena, Mahela Abekun, Sanjeeva Kanakaraja, Charuka Fernando, Himesha Ekanayaka, Amita Abenayaka, Udara Ramavikrama, Peter De Cruz, and Sujit Silva, the head of Quadrangle, for his great effort. Passe Holdings for providing their air supply studio for all the live programs and for the air supply production crew. Suresh Subramaniam, chairman of the NOC, Julian Bowling, Susantika Jayasinghe and Damayanti Darsha for joining our program. We wish all of them the very best and congratulate them for the wonderful daily content brought to you, our viewer. We also will be covering the Tokyo 2020 Paralympics, so do not miss out on that too. Here's a shout out to our amazing Olympic team. The 9 of you gave your best out there. Next up, the Commonwealth Games and the Asian Games. Keep your eyes on Paris too. We hope you enjoy this special Olympic segment. My name is Kavinka, and along with Lavanya, Sanduni, and the amazing Quadrangle production team, we wish you all the best. Take care and see you in 2024.